Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you TikTok how to fix unstable internet connection. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your TikTok app. And once you're here, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, tap on settings and privacy. And once you're inside your settings and privacy, scroll down until you find cache and cellular, and under it you'll find an option that says free up space. Simply tap on that. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is clear your cache and clear your download as well. What this does is it resets the app by freeing up space, which helps the app to run more fluently. And once you are done with that, the next thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app. And once you're inside your settings, scroll down, then tap on general. And inside general, tap on iPhone storage. And once you're inside iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on Snapchat. And once you're inside here, tap on offload app, and what this does is it clears any bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And once that process is complete, tap on delete app, and once that process is complete as well, all you gotta do is try again. And that's basically how to fix unstable internet connection on TikTok. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.